When one screen isn't enough anymore and you need your own command station, something that's portable, something that's affordable, meet your new best friend. This is a triple screen extender. It's got two 16-inch screens that'll turn your laptop into a full workstation. No extra desk is required. Everything ships packed like it should for a product like this at this price point. The unboxing experience is quite nice too. Pull the top foam off, and the screens are underneath, wrapped and protected. Below that, we've got your instructions and your product cards, and foam cutouts holding out all your cabling. Two USB-C cables, an HDMI to USB-C cable if your laptop is older, and a power adapter if you need it. If you're on a newer computer like I am, all you'll need is the two USB-C cables, one for power and display for each screen. And setup is the part that'll actually seal the deal. There's no clips, no hooks, nothing pressing onto your laptop's hinge. It's an open frame, so almost any laptop up to 16 inches slides right into the middle. Just unfold it, slide your laptop in, plug in one cable and just the other, and done. And the kickstand on the back gives you plenty of adjustable angles, laid back and wide if you want the full spread, or upright if your desk is just a little bit tighter. And once you're set, this is where it really changes how you're actually going to work. You can have your research pulled to one side and what you're building on the other. Your main project can be dead center, but either way, I'm not tabbing between 6 different windows anymore. I just look over left and right. Meetings won't swallow your whole screen. Emails aren't going to get buried under everything else. And if you code, trade, design, or just live in 15 tabs a day, this is the difference between managing your work or your work managing you. So if you're looking to set up your own command station so you can multitask like a pro and keep it portable, this is where it's at.